Are you trying to find someone on Instagram but simply cannot find the person? If this is what you're currently facing, then this is the perfect video for you. Guys, no, if you open up your Instagram account and you type in the search there and trying to search for someone on Instagram, I don't know, let's say we were trying to find Messi, right? And you're not able to find Messi or whosoever you're trying to find, right? Not typically Messi, but it could be your close friends or someone you know or whatever. You're trying to find that person and you're not able to find this person on Instagram. It could be one of few things, right? So you want to go ahead and first check your block list in case you had this person as a friend before and you're not able to find this person anymore. Simply click your profile on the lower right hand side, click the three dots here, and you want to scroll down to where it says blocked. Now, if you have this person in your block list or you had already blocked that person before and don't even remember, then that could be the reason why you're not seeing this account. And it could also be vice versa, that the person could also block you. So you have to keep this in mind as well. If someone blocks you, then you're not able to find the person as well, right? So another reason could be that the person deactivate their account or even delete their account. So if a person deactivate their account or simply delete their account on Instagram, then you're not able to find this person. Now, if this is not the case, you can simply try to contact the person if you have their phone number. You can also try to find this person on Facebook, or if you know someone who actually have this person as a friend on Instagram, you can also ask that person to check to see if they can find the person as well. And this could help you to figure out what the issue is. If you find this video useful, guys, and it was very informative, go ahead and give this video a like. Let me know in the comments below if you're facing this issue. I wish you all the best and see you next time, guys.